spraying the inside of your body with bed liner, truck bed liner. I picked this up at any auto store. I'm not sure what stores you have all over the different places you're from, but there's always, you know, your Auto Plus stores, your Auto Values, all those different auto parts stores, I guess you call them. Yeah, we found that if you spray the inside of your RC body, especially bashing bodies, with this, it just makes it more durable, holds things together, doesn't crack as easy. This is flexible. The way you're going to want to do that though on a existing body is you're going to want to mask off, which I will do, but just to give you a quick little, Dill, can you hold that please? Of course you can overlap here like this, and then you can use newspaper or rolls of paper like this that I get at the paint store or a hardware store. Now on a new body, you're not gonna have to do this because new bodies, for those of you that know, come with a plastic cellophane shield on the outside. So if you do this on a new body, the outside's already protected. This is so we don't get any of the overage spray onto the outside, because that would look pretty ugly. All the black bed liner on the outside of your vehicle. With everything, you get better with practice and you gain more knowledge of what you can and can't do, and understanding of how it works. So if you take your time at first, you get it perfect, then you'll learn what wasn't so perfect or needed to be to speed up the job. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So see, she's all covered, and because we're spraying the inside here, this is not as important. I mean, obviously you don't want anything getting in there either, but it's not like I said, because of my background in construction, house painting and building painting, I understand how the spray is going to behave and what areas are not important to cover. Anyway, so that's that. Here, Del, start shaking that guy up. You're gonna shake the living bejesus out of that.
Why do you have to shake it so much?
And the main thing, like I said, guys, is that edge. Make sure that edge is nice and tight, right? So
Okay, Dad.
And
Why do you have to
then
shake it so much?
the secret weapon, the spray booth.
It even says your painting company.
Spray
up there.
booth, cardboard box.
I never realized that it said your painting company on that box.
Yeah, I believe that's because that box actually had a bunch of t-shirts in it. For my
your
company.
company?
Yeah. Okay, let me see that. Yeah, you really got to shake it good, eh?
Why do you have to shake it?
Because there's a little metal ball inside that mixes all the ingredients.
If you're mad, that's a good way to get your anger out.
Okay, so guys, I don't know if I have it shook and good enough, but it'll still give you the point.
Wow.
Don't try to cover it all in one. Keep your spray off of everything else by only spraying inside the box. Do not do this on your mom's kitchen floor or something like that. You can take the box outside and do it out there as long as it's not super hot outside or obviously raining.
Or snowing. Don't do it if it's snowing either, I would assume.
Yeah, I guess, hey buddy. And then, yeah, you just want to put two or three light coats on. Don't try to do it all at once, because if you do it all at once, it'll just run and make a big mess. And yes, this stuff is stinky and kind of toxic, so try not to blow it in your face. And if you feel obligated, you can get a respirator or a dust mask. Even a dust mask will keep most of it out of your the particles out of your lungs. Maybe not the toxic particles, but the actual gummed up particles. If you don't have a dust mask or a respirator, tie a rag to your face. It'll just help filter some of that stuff.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
For the next time when we do the next coat, I know what I'm doing. How long does it take to dry?
Oh wow. So guys, we are just gonna put 2 or 3 coats on this, and then we'll show you when it's done. Okay, unless you want to watch it dry, let's leave the video going. Let's leave it here. Okay guys, watch. Are we enjoying watching it dry? No. Alright guys, so that was the body repair video for Lexan RC Bodies. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully it was helpful.
Anyway, don't forget to hit that like button as well as share this video and subscribe to this channel, please. And do not forget to hit that notification bell on your way out too. Anyway, until next time,
Get out and play. See you
Bye-bye.
guys later.